Live streaming has become a popular and effective way for brands and content creators to engage with their audiences in real time. With the rise of social media platforms and the increasing demand for authentic and interactive content, live streaming offers numerous opportunities for content planning in 2024. Here are 20 fresh live streaming approaches that can be incorporated into content plans for the upcoming years. 1. Collaborative live streams. Partnering with other brands, influencers, or industry experts to host joint live streams can expand reach, attract new audiences, and provide valuable insights. 2. Behind-the-scenes live streams. Giving viewers an exclusive look into the production process, office tours, or product development can build trust and foster a deeper connection with the brand. 3. Live Q&A sessions. Hosting live Q&A sessions with experts or industry leaders can provide valuable insights, answer questions, and build thought leadership. 4. Interactive live streams. Incorporating interactive elements such as polls, quizzes, or games can increase engagement and make the live stream more entertaining and memorable. 5. Live product launches. Announcing new products or services through live streams can generate buzz, excitement, and provide a more personalized launch experience for viewers. 6. Live workshops or tutorials. Hosting live workshops or tutorials on specific topics or skills can provide value to viewers and establish the brand as an authority in the industry. 7. Live webinars. Hosting live webinars on specific topics or trends can provide valuable insights, answer questions, and build thought leadership. 8. Live interviews. Conducting live interviews with industry experts or thought leaders can provide valuable insights, answer questions, and build thought leadership. 9. Live virtual tours. Hosting virtual tours of in-places or events can provide an immersive experience for viewers and showcase the brand's unique offerings. 10. Live charity events. Hosting live charity events or fundraisers can build goodwill, attract positive media coverage, and showcase the brand's commitment to social causes. 11. Live customer support sessions. Providing live customer support sessions through social media platforms can provide quick resolutions to customer issues and build customer loyalty. 12. Live music performances. Hosting live music performances by popular artists or bands can attract large audiences, generate buzz, and showcase the brand's cultural values. 13. Live fitness classes. Hosting live fitness classes by popular trainers or fitness experts can attract fitness enthusiasts and showcase the brand's commitment to health and wellness. 14. Live cooking classes. Hosting live cooking classes by popular chefs or cooking experts can attract food enthusiasts and showcase the brand's commitment to food culture. 15. Live sports events. Hosting live sports events such as football matches, cricket matches, etc., can attract sports enthusiasts and showcase the brand's commitment to sports culture. 16. Live art exhibitions. Hosting live art exhibitions by popular artists or art collectives can attract art enthusiasts and showcase the brand's commitment to art culture. 17. Live theater performances. Hosting live theater performances by popular theater groups can attract theater enthusiasts and showcase the brand's commitment to theater culture. 18. Live dance performances. Hosting live dance performances by popular dance groups can attract dance enthusiasts and showcase the brand's commitment to dance culture. 19. Live comedy shows. Hosting live comedy shows by popular comedians can attract comedy enthusiasts and showcase the brand's commitment to comedy culture. 20. Live virtual reality experiences. Hosting live virtual reality experiences, such as virtual tours of exotic locations, virtual concerts by popular musicians, etc., can provide an immersive experience for viewers and showcase the brand's commitment to technology culture.